Alright, on today's episode of Python Papi, we're back inside our Tensorflow course and we're still going over our building visual transformers from scratch module. Let's have a look at what we went over today. Now we do have some new code to run overnight that I'm going to have ready for you tomorrow. The only thing with it is there is a lot of explaining to do in between what this code is going to be doing because it is a fresh code that we're going to be running, and all of this is explaining why we took this from our original model. What we're going to be doing with the new piece of code is altering our original model here, the one that I ran yesterday, or the fixed version that I ran. That was going to have the print the output shape. So we're going to actually take this and modify it. We did it already, and it's down here, so you can see the differences already. First, let's look at our embeddings. See, we have here 1064 input length equals 10. So this 1000 represents our vocabulary size. The 64 is going to be our batch size, and then we have our input length. Then we have our random integers. 1000 size equals 32 with 10. So let's see how that changes down here. Now again, I'm not going to be able to explain every detail on why we changed what we changed and why we modified what we modified because we do have a time constraint on the video, so I'm going to do the best I can. So as you can see here, we have a 256 by 768 now instead of the original. Let me go back and show you really quickly. Instead of the original 1000 by 64, and we don't have an input length at all, we actually removed that altogether. Now for the next change, we still have our 1000 count. That's not even supposed to be 1000 count there. This is supposed to be 256. We changed this to So we changed that to 256 also to represent our patches, and then we have our size of 1 for our batch, and then 256 for our patches again. And we're going to run this the way it is like this and see exactly what's the difference between this version and the original version of our models. And I'm not exactly sure why we're doing this. I think we're just doing it just to make sure that we can, just to get familiar with running the models and altering them and modifying them. But yeah, so that's what we're going to be doing. I'm going to run this overnight, and we should have everything worked out for you tomorrow, compiled for you tomorrow, so we can dive right in and go over a deeper explanation as to what's going on. But I will keep you posted every step of the way. For now, it's the Python Papi. You guys stay Gucci.